Alright folks, TFG and Mike here with level 1410 of Tucker's Snack Attack. Here we go. Alright. Oops, I gotta destroy the thing.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? I have the power!
Waha! There you go, folks. 1410. Wow, we did that under a minute. Let's see what the next level is going to be, and then that'll decide whether we do another one. 1411, get by. Yeah, we can do that.
Are you ready?
Yup. Nope. Yup, nope, yup, nope.
Sup,
Pink. Here we go. Oh, well, I found out that I get my stitches out 2 days earlier than I thought I was going to, so it's next week as of this recording. I'm recording this in September of 2025, so it's September 9th instead of September 11th of 2025, so I did get the ace bandage off as of today, so that is much more comfortable. Thank you very much to my neighbor. She came over, my neighbor Pam. She came over and helped me with that today, so that was very awesome of her, so thank you to her. Rough luck. Oh no, what did I do now? Keep playing. Oh, this is bombs. I always forget this is bombs. Damn. There we go. So yeah, I will have the stitches staples out in a week as of this recording. So hopefully I'll be back to full strength after that. Well, as full strength as I can get after these surgeries I've had. But yeah, folks, hope everyone's doing well, as I said at the beginning of the video, and I will continue on. No, I won't. It's mud, but this is still gonna be a long form video because it's over 3. I wish the shorts were 5 minutes. I know that's stupid because 5 minutes is not really short, but I really wish the shorts would increase to 5 minutes on YouTube. Anyway, TFG and Mike, GeekCast Radio Network. There you go, folks. I'm gonna take this time to rest up and play some more levels in the morning.